Vaccines will soon be on the way, but the hardest part may be what happens next. How do you get the vaccine to the millions of people around the country? It's a logistics nightmare that Bay Area software companies are already working on. In a story you'll see only on NBC Bay Area, our business and tech reporter Scott Budman takes us behind the scenes.
Even as optimism looms over the successful COVID-19 vaccine trials, the big question remains, how are we going to get them?
That's the first step, is just getting the vaccine to the right places.
It's not as simple as packing it up and sending it along. The vaccines have critical transport and storage requirements, or they won't work. Getting the vaccine to the right places the right way is what Bay Area software company Esri is working on. The mapping and analytics software maker says it's in touch with vaccine makers, hospitals, and government agencies to make sure the path from lab to clinic is as smooth and fast as possible.
Being able to do what is kind of like a matching exercise between the facilities that can store the different vaccines, the populations that need them, the capacity, how much vaccine to put where.
And then, once the vaccine arrives in the state,
our goal to be what we call the last mile of COVID-19 vaccination.
In other words, how to make sure we know exactly where each dose goes and tracking who got the vaccine and who still needs it.
Scheduling the time, making sure you show up there, making sure you're getting the right dosage, dosage 1, dosage 2, having a history of when you've been vaccinated.
One example of why that last mile is so important, the deep freeze containers needed to ship the Pfizer vaccine can only be used for 10 days at a time and can only be opened twice a day for 3 minutes at a time. In San Jose, Scott Budman, NBC Bay Area News.
Scott, thank you.